to speak English fluently and very confidently. So here I am sharing 7 tips on speaking English fluently and confidently. Hello everyone, I am Neelam, ex-faculty Career Point quota, right? So let's get started. Don't be afraid. First tip is don't be afraid to make mistakes, because your goal is to deliver a message, not to speak perfect English with the right grammar and vocabulary, right? Even native English speakers make mistakes. So don't give up trying, right? Try and try, right? Second tip is practice. As we all know that practice makes a man perfect, right? Practice makes perfect. So constantly look for the opportunities to test out your spoken English. Look for those opportunities, right? Practice makes a man perfect. Constantly look for opportunities to test your spoken English, right? I'm focusing on to test out your spoken English, right? Full tip is listen. The more you hear, the easier it will for you to speak better English. So listen. So you will start speaking more fluently and confidently in conversations, right? Learning how to give your opinions in English with new expressions, phrases and idioms, right? So listen carefully, right? And try to speak out. Fourth tip is celebrate success. Every time when you talk to someone in English is an achievement for you, right? Every single interaction, right, you have, no matter how small, will help you to improve your skills over time. So be proud of your progress. Tap your back. Keep it up, right? So these first 4 steps help provide the best way to start speaking English with ease. So next 3 steps will take your English speaking skills to the advanced level, I can say, right? So further, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, then final 3 tips are as follows, right? 5th point is think in English. Start thinking in English, right? Instead of Hindi, start think in English. So it will help you a lot. Go from speaking good English to great English by thinking in the language. Speaking good English to great English by thinking in the language. You will find it difficult at first, but after some time, you will learn how to switch between speaking English and your first language, because your subconscious mind accepted that programming, right? Next step is talk to yourself, right? Look in the mirror, talk to yourself. It will look funny, we know that, right? So it's just like a game for you. It will look funny, we know. But by talking to yourself in English in front of the mirror, especially I'm talking about in front of the mirror for a few minutes each day, say about 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you will learn when and how to use different expressions. So you can correct your expressions too. You will also learn where you make most of the mistakes, right? So just focus on yourself, right? Speak to yourself. 7th tip is tongue twisters. So tongue twisters help improve your diction, teach you know to speak quickly. Practice with tricky sayings like this. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday, right? So this is a tongue twister. So start using the tongue twisters to speak out fluently and confidently, right? So if you like my content, then please do subscribe my channel and Share this video with your colleagues and friends. Hit the bell icon, hit the like button, and thank you for watching.